Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So, eggs and cheese should no more be in your dough. Whether it be for bread, whether it be for the recipe I'm going to show you today, we don't need cheese or eggs anymore in our dough. It rises beautifully, and today I have for you a recipe of a big sausage roll loaf, and I've cut it into slices and I have it right here. Let me show you what it looks like. And here we have it. Can you see that? It is absolutely amazing. Let me show you close. See how bready that is, and the sausages inside, and it's a double bill sausage roll. So we are standing in my kitchen. So let's get cooking. So let's begin with this amazing recipe. In goes 1 cup of almond flour. Next we have half a cup of whey protein isolate, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Next we have half a teaspoon of baking soda, and we have now xantham gum, which is 1 teaspoon. In that goes, and salt to taste. I'm putting about 1 teaspoon of salt. Give that all a good mix. Now goes in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. In that goes, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. In that goes. Give it another good mix. Now we have half a cup of water, and we're going to put it in 2 lots. So there goes the entire half cup of water. And here begins the frothiness. There is still one more ingredient to go in, which I will show you. Now it's become frothy. Now is the time to put coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of it, and then you give it another good mix. This is what is going to give the water and all will get absorbed, and the frothiness will be there, but it will come into a pliable dough, a sticky pliable dough. Now on your countertop you're going to put parchment paper, no cookie sheet right now. You plop the whole dough in the center. It's a very sticky mixture, so watch what I'm going to do. We're going to make this into a rectangle. That is water. Now this dough works really well as you keep pressing. You cannot use a rolling pin. It'll all get stuck, and you can't put parchment paper either on top. I'm making this into a lovely rectangle with 1/4 of an inch of thickness. And keep using the water. Don't be worried. Just wet your fingertips and your palms, and the rectangle will come beautifully. Now I've got 4 sausages. I'm taking off the skin. You cannot make these with the skin. Off that goes. I'll do all of them and show you. And now that they are done, I've got some cheese and I've got my homemade tomato ketchup. Feel free to use even herbs and spices of your choice. Now line 2 sausages and join it in the center along the length of the rectangle. I've put in some cheese. I'm putting in some tomato ketchup, and now watch how I roll it. You hold the parchment paper and give it just 1 roll. Don't worry if it gets stuck to the paper. Just pull it out. It's like Play-Doh. So even if it breaks up, don't be worried. Now I've turned it around on the other side and done the same thing. Put the sausages and given it 1 more roll. See, I'm taking water and I'm pulling off, and it's very simple when your hands are wet with this dough. I figured that out, that with your hands wet, this dough becomes pliable. Now it's ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. I am putting some lovely cheddar cheese on top. So this is going to, you can use this as a loaf or as rolls. Now you just pull it onto your cookie sheet. Don't try to pick up the loaf. And now that's out of the oven. How beautiful that looks. There you go. Double billed sausage rolls. Let me show you another piece. And there we have it. Lovely crust on top, bready inside, and 2 sausages in one roll. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. Lots of love. Bye.